Today I would like to teach you how to crochet this cute, adorable kitty Lovey. However, I will focus on the Lovey blanket part for this video because this one is actually fairly straightforward, and I have a written tutorial for the kitty head, the arms, and the ears on my website on the free crochet pattern. So we're going to focus completely in this video on this Lovey because that may seem a little bit daunting for some of you. So I created this video so that you don't have to feel scared about it because it's actually fairly straightforward and it looks so amazing and beautiful. So let's get ready, shall we? For the Lovey, you will need some Dishy worsted weighted yarn. I only used one skein of the color Blush for the entire thing, including the kitty head with the arms and the ears. And also you will need some thread or something equivalent to make the face. And you also need a tapestry needle and a needle for it and some scissors. And I have a 4mm hook right here. Now the head is filled with some polyfill, so you're going to need some kind of stuffing for that as well. We will start with a magic ring like so. And you're going to pull the loop through and adjust your yarn. We're going to make a chain, and then we're going to add an alternative turning chain. If you don't know what that is, it's a replacement of the chain 3. It's a single crochet that is stacked, so that's 2 single crochets right on top of each other. Then we're going to place 11 more double crochets into the ring. So you end up with 12 double crochets for the first round. Once you're done, close the ring and slip stitch to the first stitch like so. Now we're going to make some clusters, okay? So we're still going to do slip stitches after the end of the round. However, after that, we're going to stop using slip stitches so it doesn't seem too obvious, okay? But I'll let you know when that happens. So we're going to start with an alternative turning chain, but unfinished. So this will be unfinished, right? So I made a single crochet and then, so this is the single crochet, right? And then I pulled the loop through right here, but I'm not going to yarn over and pull through to finish it because I want to make a cluster. So that means I'm going to do 2 more double crochets unfinished into the same stitch. So like so, and then I have 4 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through. Now I'm going to chain 4. And now I'm going to skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch I'm going to place 3 double crochets as a cluster. So now it's just double crochets, right? The first one is an alternative turning chain because we're starting that round. So again, you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through, chain of 4. And now we're going to repeat that. Skip a stitch and then the double crochet cluster. Do that all the way till the end. Okay, so once you finished that round, you're going to slip stitch for the last time for a little bit in this round here. Now, starting from round 3, you are going to not place any slip stitches just to make it look even and there is no weird seam right there. Okay, so we're going to start with a chain of 4, like so. Then you're going to place 3 single crochets in this chain 4 space right here. Okay, so you can go into the stitches if you like, or simply go around and make single crochets into that chain space, right? It's a 4 chain space. Now you're going to place 1 single crochet right here on top of that cluster. So that makes it 4 single crochets in total, right? Now you're going to start over. So chain 4. Again, 3 single crochets into the chain 4 space and 1 single crochet on top of the cluster. And then you're going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, so now you're going to, so you ended up with 1 single crochet right on top of that slip stitch, okay? So that's where you ended up. Now you're going to place a chain of 4. and you're going to place 2 single crochets into that chain 4 space. And then now you're going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch until you have 1 left over. That means of all the single crochets you make, you always skip the very, very last one. Okay, so that will be here 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip the very last one, and then you start over. So chain of 4, 2 single crochets into the chains 4 space, then 1 single crochet until the very last stitch, which you're going to skip. You're going to do this all the way around. Okay, so now once you finish that, you're going to repeat that very last row over and over again. So what does this mean? That means you're going to always skip the very last stitch, right? And then at the end of the round, you're going to chain 4. It's exactly the same thing. Into that chain space from the previous round, you're going to place 2 single crochets. You're going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch until the last one, which you're going to skip. Okay, so in this case, for the next round, it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochets, and the last one is skipped. And then you do that again. Chain 4, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet in each stitch until the last one, which you're going to skip. So you're going to continue that until you have about 15 inches across. Now, a lovey can be a size of 12 inches, 15 inches. Sometimes people even go up to 20 inches. It's totally up to you. I made it about 15 inches, as you can tell from this dot or this pointy area to this pointy area is about 15 inches. And I'm not stretching super far right here. It's laying flat, right? So you decide how far you want to go. Once you're done with that, you are going to make your little kitty, which I made in the exact same yarn. These are the same arms, so same pattern for that, same pattern for the ears. I painted a little bit here with a marker, so like a permanent marker so it stays, and then I used some black thread to make the face. Now you could use, if you wanted to, like use some child-proof plastic pieces, but I didn't want to do that. I didn't want the baby to get hurt or something because this is for my best friend. But I did just use thread here to sew this on. This takes a little bit longer to make as well as this, but it is so worth it, and it's so cute. And inside here is some polyfill, as you can see. So all I'm doing in the end here is sewing it on to the center so it's right there and stays right there. And that's it. And you can add actually any lovey animal head right here on top if you wish to do so. It's totally fine. The exact pattern for the entire thing is on my website, a free crochet pattern. If you want the PDF for it, you can find it either on Etsy, Ravelry, Lovecraft, or in TCC, which is the Crochet Club, my VIP crochet membership, where you can get all my patterns as a PDF, plus extra support, super fun crochet chats, monthly as well as weekly support, an amazing community. I hope you can check it out. The link for everything is down below in the description, and I hope you enjoy this cute kitty lovey pattern. Be sure to like, comment, and share this pattern, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!